I guess that this show is kind of an interesting moment for me because it's the first time that I've brought installation and performance and sculpture together, because I've always had sort of all these different elements in my practice, but and film actually, because I was originally making sculpture and installation, then I went into phase of making film, and then recently I've been doing mostly live performance. So actually this show brings all of those things together in one piece. Because I guess generally I'm doing a live performance and it sort of comes and goes, whereas this is kind of quite nice to see how it will extend and how it will be to actually be with the sculpture and with the films. And this kind of, for me, is kind of a way of bringing sometimes a film can feel quite flat in a kind of museum, gallery environment. So there's a way of actually physically bringing the film to life by actually sort of almost acting out parts of the film in the space. I guess the main thing with my work is, especially with all the performances I've been doing recently, is for me it's very much about other people and how I've just been so lucky that so many people happy to get involved, want to get involved in performances. Especially like the last show I've just been doing down in Cardigan, just to go there to meet local community and people's willingness to be involved and people's willingness to dress up, and people's interest in it is, for me, that's everything in the work. Bringing different people together in different ways in a very kind of unusual format is something I'm really interested in, and so I'm always very grateful and happy that other people can see what is I'm trying to do and want to be involved. So if anybody ever wants to come and perform, let me know.